apologize to the medical team of this country. You know, I'm not a social media person. I'm not going to get from which I go serve. I'm going to be able to the nurses, the doctor. I'm going to check is the man I'm basing what's here with it. But I guess the man more in a book. Okay, let Alan I is the one. You offer my deal of the one in on a lip. Because the doctor got the room. God will bless you and protect you and shield you and keep you. Over yesterday, I were a crisis ever by the member not so. Oh, my father were a crisis. So sit together one hospital.
Okay, I heard what Father Mbaka said in Enugu. Well, I'm not quick to reply, but I feel that the priest should apologize to Father Mbaka, who was brutally abused by the so-called people, somebody, something, whosoever that has paid J-Pack and his team, governor, all those governors, and the other comedians and all those guys, bloggers that, were paid to tarnish Father Mbaka's image. You don't know what it means for your image to be damaged. I feel free fighting because I don't have an image that is remaining. It's damaged already. When I was, so the Lord really prepared me for my own battle. I'm not afraid of what is done to me. They gang up because this same ministry, their branch in America, 6 women in Dallas went to the place I lived to meet the man that hosted me. And we are, firing him. This is what I've been doing in secret, poisoning the mind of my follower. But I don't have problem with those whose mind are poisoned. My problem is you that is following me. Naturally, I travel up and down. The enemy issue I watch a government ministry. I call a rubbish about Rev Mbaka. Stop supporting him because I'm not yet popular. I'm not yet one of these big celebrities. If I was wanting to preserve my image, as many people are doing, I would not have ventured into this battle because it cost me much. Even as I want to go to America, a priest, a friend of mine said, don't come because when you come, those of my African Igbo community who are Zionites will be angry. So I became an outcast. David is a friend and neighbor you have taken away. The other priest whom I even look at as a mentor because he's also in a place where there are many Igbo people, he did not pick my call. I want to tell the Catholics in Igboland and the church in Nigeria that there is danger. And Father Mbaka is talking, Father Nwebe is talking, and Father Ugu and all these the priests who are talking, trying to put things right. We think that they are stupid, but you may not have known how far these people have gone. The movement is not ordinary because one day you wake up and discover that they have, taken everywhere. If you are a chaplain or in charge of Igbo community in diaspora, please make sure that your chairman and all the head of the statutory body in your community are genuine Catholics and not a member of any ministry. They use their influence to gain people into this ministry, and if there's a time where they come, you will not be able to talk. It's not enough by don't come to our Igbo community because of you, they will stop coming. You are doing preservativism just because of 10 naira that you will gain. What of me that came out and sacrificed my own? Do you think I don't like money? Or you think I don't need money? I need money to maintain my ministry. These people that are ganging up to cut my means of sustaining my ministry knows that I have children in my outreach. They know that I have a series of people I'm paying school fees. They know that I have this gigantic financial responsibility to pay my workers. And yet they gang up, but God never sleep. So Father Mbaka, I apologize to you for the brutality you experienced and you survived it because your God is alive. So it's so painful. The man make a defend their ministry. Then you injure somebody that never injured you. Father Nwebe joy, Father Nwebe joy. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ ya fụzie m ha achọghị identify with me ka I wee conform to the play to the gallery ka e wee too fa. But I kwuru m onwe m onweghị any human being that validate me. You know this God I serve, he never disappoint me. The Father, the humiliation in the Father niile the unbearable. If not for what God did, I'm telling them it's impossible for you to tamper with the Catholic Church and go free. You are fishing in a fish pond, not in a river, and they are just looking at you. Well, the looking at could be a strategy of the Holy Spirit. And what I'm telling everybody, don't just sit down and look. Pray against this movement because it's deadly. It's deadly. Deadly because it is one man oriented. The church has survived because it's not one. If only fault bishop and father and can make mistake, a church continues. But whereby the whole Catholic Church in Igboland and the diaspora, America with 50 states, each of the 50 states, crowd don't command then at this movement is beyond what human being can understand. So, I don't am afraid of being killed because I know that as the day I was ordained, I was already dead. But the Lord has given me this assignment. I don't blame anybody who is not able to speak. Maybe the Lord didn't give you the assignment. But I want you people to pray. Pray. And ask the Holy Spirit to help us because we're in trouble. On a blackmail chazian the father, court or chazifa, mecha propaganda to only just see a ministry Nwebe na-apụtazi ọ na-afụ fada ọ dị kọfụrụ monkey. Onye nke ịkpọzi na phone, onye epik call gị. Because they have seen a Messiah which I have never seen it where anybody, any human being is so lawless. It just has seen and touch his lives. Anybody can share money. Anybody can say rosary. But what comes out of your mouth, what you use to garnish all those things is what is important. So I pray God to bless Rev Mbaka, who has come out openly to vindicate me and made positive comment about the sacrifice I made with my life for the integrity of the church. When I removed my shoes, the people said that I was swearing. I didn't swear. Ana m ajụ onwe m ogu. Ajụrụ m onwe m ogu. Sị na ife abụrụkwa megide. Chukwu megide m. I wasn't swearing for anybody or anything. So ọ bụrụ na mara n'oyi ka m doro onwe m. Etu mpụ na mbụzi totem. Awụ m osu Chukwu. If I go to Chukwu, so why should I reserve anything and be a Stephen? So this martyrdom dimension of my life, don't imitate me, but I can assure you we need to pray. The church need to pray and the priests need to sit up. That's the truth. Adoma, God bless you.